Time has come to de-winterize the Vespa. Let's pull it out from under wraps and see what we have to do to it. This is my get around town, my little commuter to go do a little little chores if the wife sends me to go get something. But I used to use it to commute to work, believe it or not, for about a year. But then I just, believe it or not, it's not that comfortable of a ride, surprisingly. I'll take this cover off. All right. Cover is off. Next, we'll straighten out the rear mirrors, and it's going to be a 17mm wrench. We'll open these up and sit on it, see where they point. This is the time to straighten out these mirrors to see where they point. The time is now. But if you ever feel like you need to make the adjustment again, a 17mm wrench is what you need. So this one is down, and we'll straighten this one out as well. Now on the left side, to loosen it up is clockwise, to tighten it is counterclockwise, unlike the right side. The two are backwards. All right. The next thing we're going to do is remove this cover here and install the battery. I've been trickle charging the unit for quite some time now, because when I first bought the battery and I would store the Vespa under cover over the winter, it killed the battery. So what I did this year, or this past year, I took the battery out and put it on a trickle charger. So let's see how that works out. Next, you'll need a T25 size star-shaped screwdriver or bit or socket. And we're going to take this cover off like I mentioned earlier. Be sure not to lose or drop your screws. Okay, and the cover is off. Next, you'll grab a T30 screwdriver, same concept. You remove the screws that fasten down the battery. It's a bracket. Now keep in mind, this bracket only goes in one way. You'll notice the one size is taller than the other. See how this one is taller, this one is shorter? This is the part that goes towards the back. All right. We opened up the battery space. Now let's put the battery in. Be mindful. The negative terminal is in the front, the positive terminal is in the back, so that when you put the battery in, it's facing in the same direction. Okay. Okay, the battery is dropped in place. With a size 2 screwdriver, such as this one here, you can undo the screws, sit on top. Be careful not to lose the screws or the washers that go with it. Put the positive terminal down. Doesn't have to be crazy tight, but nice and snug. There we go. And same thing on a negative terminal or the ground terminal. I personally like to keep the terminals straight. That should be tight enough. All right. And now we can put the bracket back on Like I said, make sure that you have the long side on the back, the short side in the front. T30 screwdriver. Nice and snug, nothing crazy. Okay, so we can now put the cover back on. Here we go with the T25 screws. Next thing we'll do, we'll service the tires front and back. These tires, because they're different size, they do have different tire pressures, and you will find the tire pressure under the seat right here. Tires front and rear. Front is 26.1. The rear is 29 psi if you're riding alone. If you're riding with a passenger, 26.1. The rear is 40.6 psi. Let's inflate these tires. First thing, we'll check it. Right now, the front is sitting at 23. It's got to go to 26. Doesn't take much to inflate these tires. We're at, it was actually 23. We're now at 28. Here we go, 26. And we can now do the rear one. Again, next is the rear tire. This one's supposed to be at 29. And it's sitting at 26. Shouldn't take long. And it is at 30. That's good. All right, so now we have the tires serviced. We'll put our registration sticker on the license plate. I got this registered last month. The next thing we'll do is set the clock. Ignition on. Make sure you're on total miles. You're gonna press and hold the mode button. There it is. Until it flashes. You're just gonna press it. Keep pressing the mode button until the time that you desire. Once you get the hour, press and hold for the minutes. There you go. Now we got the minutes. And you're going to keep clicking on it until you get to where you want it to be. In this case, for me, it's 10:58 in the morning. And we are there. We're going to press and hold. That's it. Clock is set. Now, my friend, it's the ultimate test. We're going to press and start and make sure that it starts up after it's been running dormant for about 5 months. And then we'll just let it run a little bit, we'll warm it up, and then we'll get some gas. Well, let's see what it sounds like, shall we? Press and hold the brakes. She's alive, she's alive. I'm gonna get some gas. I'm gonna let it sit for a little while to reach operating temperatures. Then what I'll do is I will get some gas, ethanol free, guys. Ethanol free is what a Vespa takes. Hope this video was of help to you. Smash that like button. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you feel the need for it, and I will see you at the next video. Take care.